G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. So this is just another quick tip video for an upgrade for the Troopy. Now this Troopy is far from genuine and everything about it is upgrades to make things a little bit better and to make things a little bit usable, but not genuine and not Toyota. Today we're looking at the mirrors. Now these mirrors are already aftermarket, they're very cheap, but they're also very flimsy. The plastic starts to go brittle and crack pretty quickly. We did have genuine mirrors on the FJ40, but you are looking at well over 300 bucks for the pack, so, but it's worth it if you want to go genuine. But we're not going genuine, are we, Alia? We're going to stick with non-genuine parts. The theme of Minty is green and black. Except for that bit of red. But anyway, show us what we're going to be putting on, Alia. Nice. So the difference with these are, this is all aluminium base, so it's all a solid metal base. It's not going to rust out. Solid plastic back here and a nice big size mirror as well. And this will just suit the style of this Troopy. So let's rip this one off. Drill some holes into it and get into it, Alia.
Let me think I'm weak.
Right, I don't panic, but we do have to drill some new holes into Minty. We're going to use one existing hole and then we have to drill 2 new holes. But Alia has had experience in drilling holes into Minty before when we fitted the light bar. Righto, Alia's just grabbing the drill and we'll mark it out. We'll get into that. Righto, so we've got the mirror just held on by the first bolt. That sort of holds it in place. Alia's holding it so it's not going to slip down. She's using an automatic pin punch. I'm going to mark our 2 holes out and then Alia can drill it. Now I've chosen this front hole here. The reason is I'm trying to bring the mirror as far forward as I can. It does just overlap this little bit of a profile here. You can put the mirror wherever you like. That's just where I'm putting it. And go. Nice. Right, so very important now that we've drilled holes into the door is what?
Rust protection.
Alright, so we're going to use obviously a Chem Tools product. This is ZPH. Spray it onto a cotton bud and then Alia can get in there and seal that off and protect that metal from rusting. Yep. Right, so Alia's used a nutsert gun and done a sensational job there. Push it in nice and flush. Tough. Now, fit the new mirrors up and we're done. I'll hold it in place. Ready? Righto, we have put some rapid stick thread locker on these just to make sure that these nuts aren't going to come out. Righto, that's it, we're done. Thank you, Alia, fantastic job. So we've gone from the more traditional look ones, even though these were your cheap aftermarkets, to again, another aftermarket mirror, but it really suits Minty. What do you think, Ali?
I think it looks great.
It does look good, I agree. So, if you're looking for something a little bit different, a little bit aftermarket, these are nice and flat, so they fit straight up on your flat door, and they're quite solid. So now all we need to do is adjust the mirrors to the right position. There's a little grub screw just in the inside there that you can lock it in place so it's not going to move or bounce around when you go to those really rough corrugated roads, which we will be, won't we?
Yeah.
So, coming up to long drive for a drought in a couple months time, getting a few things ready, and Alia this year is going to join us. So we've ditched Jack and Alia is going to be jumping into the passenger seat. Might even give you a few driving lessons on the way.
Yeah.
Righto. Righto guys, so that's it for this video. Very quick, short, little upgrade. Hope you guys found it interesting. Feel free to subscribe and follow along. And until next time.
Thanks for watching.
Minties. For
Minty.
Minty.